Guys, Springboks versus the All Blacks. The Springboks has announced their team. At number 1 is going to be Oxenche, 2 Malcolm Marx, 3 Volker Low. In the number 4 is going to be Ibn Etzebeth. In number 5 is going to be Ruan Norkier. All the Villiers, Jasper Wiese and Pieter Steep de Toit. Number 9 and 10 pairing is going to be Grant Williams and Sasa Feinberg Komezulu. The pairing Damien Dalende and Jesse Kriel. 3 backs is going to be Apelele Fasi, Jason Colby and Kurtley Arendse. Jan Hendrik Wessels, Gerard Steenkamp, Zach Potgieter, Kobus Wiese, Esther Reisen, Marco van Staden en Mani Lobok. Ons gereed. Ek is bly om te sien Sasa as speel op die team. Damien Willemse, Magic Feet Willemse. Ek verwag baie van jou in die toetsing. Oxenche, Malcolm Marx, julle druk hulle in die skram. Sasa Feinberg, Komezulu, ek soek alles oor. 4 tries Colby, 4 tries Arendse. Ibn Etzebeth, ek nodig jou op jou beste by die lineouts. Jasper Wiese, Pieter Steep de Toit, julle hardloop in hulle in. Bokke Boue. Ja guys, die Bokke is time for redemption. It's time for redemption. The box, that's the one. Do it for us. Do it for the URC teams. Welkom Low, Oxenche, Malcolm Marx, druk hulle in die skram. Malcolm Marx, jy steel elke bal wat jy kry. Ibn Etzebeth, in die line-out is die beste. Marco van Staden, Jacob Dierle. Pieter Steep de Toit, Jacob Dierle. Guys.